Hey guys, Turtle here. So I'm gonna make you a quick video on how to update your Xbox controller, both on a PC and a console. So first things first, you're gonna want to click your Xbox button, go down to your settings. Now, as you can see on the left here, it's a couple options. We're gonna go over to devices and connections. Now this is for the console. If you want to do PC, I'm gonna have that a little in the future. It's pretty simple. Um, so anyways, we're gonna click controllers and headsets. And as you can see, our controllers popped up here. We've got the option to configure. Depending on what type of controller you have, you may or may not see more options here. So an Elite controller, definitely going to have more options than this controller, but there's that. But anyways, we're here to update. We don't care about this. So you're going to want to click this button here. And as you can see, my controller is already fully updated, but you can still click this button and force it. If for any reason it's failing or you're having issues, just plug your controller in as a easy troubleshooting measure. But that being said, I'm going to click this button. It's going to ask me to update. I'm going to say yes. And it's basically that simple. We sit here and we wait. So while that's going, I'm just going to kind of explain a couple things. So when it comes to Xbox and PC, sometimes they don't connect properly the first time. If that ever happens, always go for a cable. PC specifically, the first time you connect a wireless controller to your PC, it almost always is going to want a USB connection first, and then it will allow you to connect it via Bluetooth or whatever. But that being said, that's the method for that. So now we're going to go over to the computer. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the Xbox Accessories app open on my PC. I'm not going to repeat the same steps because it's literally the exact same thing, just on a computer. But yeah, essentially you download the Accessories app. So to do that, you go to the Microsoft Store, find this app. I already got it, open it, opens this, ignore that. This pops up. You should just be able to plug your controller in, and all the same options, maybe even extra, will be here on your PC. And you can update your controller, configure dead zones, etc. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. It's not really that hard. If for some reason you can't update your controller on your Xbox, you can use a PC. It'll still work on your Xbox, even if your Xbox stays offline. But that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.